warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. First, let's start with the ready position. Start with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees slight like you are ready to move. Lean your body a little forward. Keep your eyes on the ball. Relax your arms at your side. Always stay ready because the ball can't anytime. Next, let's learn how to position your hands and arms. Bring your hands together. Both on hands and over the other thumb should be side by side and pointing forward. Keep your arms straight and locked. We don't use our hands to hit the ball. We use this a flat part of arm called the platform. A strong platform helps control the ball better. Body movement. See while demonstrating slow. Now let's move to the correct body movement. Move your feet to get under the ball. Don't reach with your arms. Keep your arms straight with your knees. When the ball comes, use for the leg to pass and slightly. Do not swing your arms. Let the ball bounce over your platform.